BBC Lost, a radio and video paradise show. And right now, we got a system coming in from the west as usual. You can see. I'm going to get inside here in a minute. This is a Skywarn spotter I'm supposed to be monitoring, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just checking out. Well, looks like it's a bit off in the distance so far yet, so. But your typical afternoon thunderstorm. As our Skywarn instructor says, you get most of your thunderstorms in the afternoon from around 3 o'clock to 8 o'clock p.m. as your activity from the sea breeze is colliding. So, anyway, we'll just thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you can, and 73s, and have a good day. Thanks for watching again. Bye-bye.